over 100 NXTGEN stores already today. A lot of them are in Metro Manila, but we go all the way up to La Union and all the way down south to Davao. In fact, even Bigos. So we have a lot of NXTGEN stores. You can skip the line, you can complete your order, of course, with cashless payment. And that's only made possible by our very valued partnership. Then, the big news today is we already have the dynamic QR of PayMaya, and you'll see that in this store, plus 2 other stores in BGC, which is BGC Finance and Forum. So, then of course, before the end of the year, that will also be available in all the stores with cashless. But thank you, Gov, thank you to PayMaya for making this all possible. We're really happy, our customers are very happy that this kind of experience when they go to McDonald's is really elevated, very different, and seamless.